for the mid-cap index, it is building on gains, so up around 1% currently for the mid-cap index. And we have the Bank Nifty also pulling its weight today, so up around 0.4% currently for the Bank Nifty. Stocks which are really pulling the Nifty down seems to be something like the IT space and even ITC, which is not doing that great. HDFC also, along with Reliance Industries. But Manisha joins in now to tell us what she's tracking in the commodity and the currency space. Manisha.
Ekta, thank you so much for that. Well, slightly under pressure is how we have begun the new month as well for the crude and the metal prices there. If you look at the crude oil price as well, we lost nearly 9 to 11% in the month of October, and the November has started nearly 0.5% on the weaker side. We are looking at the biggest monthly decline for October in last 2 years. You are looking at the US production at all-time highs. The OPEC production is the highest since 2016, and the Russian production has been on the higher side as well. So all of that really continues to put pressure. So on your screen, 0.6% of a decline is what you are seeing onto that one. Take a look at the industrial metal space, because that has been under pressure as well. We have seen the US dollar strength continue to wane, and the Chinese data day after day has come in on the weaker side. So when you look at the Shanghai metals, you have aluminum trading at a 6-year lows. You have nickel in Shanghai trading at a 6-month lows as well. You also have to take a look at the copper prices, where we are trading at a 2-week lows. So when you look at the Shanghai metals, they are trading much on the weaker side than what LME seems to be doing, because the US data has been positive. So that seems to be taking cues from that. But everything in Shanghai in sense of metals, whether it's ferrous or non-ferrous, has been on the weaker side, starting from steel and going on all the way to nickel, zinc, copper. All of that has been much on the weaker side there. A quick word on the gold and silver prices, because we have seen some strength continue there. Yesterday evening was a day of profit taking, because the US dollar index hit a 16-month highs. But since then, there has been some profit taking onto that one. So the gold price is back at around 3-month highs. We are trading around $12-20 per ounce in the international markets. And the Indian gold price is clearly holding firm on the back of physical buying as well, which seems to be picking up ahead of festivities and the wedding season.
Okay, Manisha, thank you very much for that quick check. We'll put out strategies and trades on commodities in just a bit.